All right, everybody. So as you can see from the screenshots, this is what credit repair is all about for me. And yes, I'm going to be reading them. So the first one says, just want to say thank you so damn much. Service Credit Union ran my experience and gave me an auto loan with no hassle. And I marked out the amounts and the guy's personal information because I told him I would. And then the second screenshot is a picture of a 5.0 Mustang that he got approved for. Picking up tomorrow, you're the effing goat, excuse my language. And of course, I asked him if I could post to YouTube and Facebook, and I won't show his name or his number. Absolutely. I said, awesome, I'm so happy for you, thank you, I'm so damn excited. For me, this means more to me than any amount of money that I could possibly make. This is what credit repair is about, giving people another chance at having the things that they want and that they deserve. So I just really wanted to share this with y'all. If you are interested in signing up for credit repair, I will leave all the links in the description of the video, as well as the comment section for our new budget credit repair, the elite credit repair, and the pre-litigation. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.